How the fuck am I aging, man? I don't know why I'm going to age that there. Like, do you understand? Look, it's curved that way and that way. So if I'm putting my aging down, I'm going to have to split it here and bring it around, split it and bring it around, split it. I can't do it consecutively in one piece because the aging isn't big enough. If I'm 44 mil aging, I might be able to do it. I don't know. I might even be able to straighten it back out again. Oh, this beach in this place, I feel so lucky. Really clamp that on there, force the pull around a wee bit more.